Working with strings. Working with strings is very important concept to know, because if we want to work with data, there will be a data which will be in form of string statements. There will be unclean data, and there will be data which we have to go through or process before we can make the model out of it. So there are n number of elements which can affect our data, which can be unnecessary for our data, and which can be fixed with the help of certain functions which we can work with on strings. So let's see how we can work with strip. Strip is a function which is used for working with string, which is used in working with strings. Let's say we assign a random statement. I would say a is equals to some spaces, some random letters. This is letters which I am writing, just hitting some random keys on our in our keyboard, and spaces and everything. And I say b, our variable, which is equals to a, which is this random thing, dot strip. Strip is a function, and print b. So what strip will do, it will strip the space which is in front of our statement, and the space which is at the end of our statement, and it will give us our statement, which is a, which is our letter, this random letters. So now what if I want to make some lower letter to capital letter, or make some capital letter to lower letter, or if we want to replace some symbols which may have been there in our strings. Let's say again, I say a is equals to some random string, some capital letters, some small letters, some semicolons, and some letters. And I say b, which is equals to a dot lower. This dot lower will change our string, which is our a random string, to a lowercase. Now I say c is equals to a dot upper. The dot upper will change our string, our random string, to capital letters. The I say a dot replace, semicolon with stars. So now let's see what is the result of it. So print b will give us a lowercase as we expected. Print c will give us uppercase as we expected, and print d will give us some stars in place of semicolon as we expected. Let's say if we want to split our string from a certain part, how we can do that? So I make a variable, and I say e. Let's make a variable e, and let's say a dot split at a semicolon. So what this statement will do, it will split our string from semicolon. From semicolon, let's say there is ASD, ASS, AS, and semicolon. So it will split the first half from second half from semicolon. So we can use split in this way. We can use split to split our statement, of split our words, split our sentence. So, and let's go ahead and say if we want to search some letter in our statement. Let's say I take this random a, and I say if I want to find sd a in this random sentence, how we can find it? So all I have to do is say print in quotes sda in our sentence, and I will put that sentence in quotes, which is asd set ass as semicolon semicolon SDA So after executing it, it will return us true because SDA is present in this sentence. So what if I say print SDA not in the statement in ADZ ASS semicolon semicolon SDA SDAQF. So that will return false because I'm searching not in. I'm saying that is SDA not in our statement. So it is in our statement. So it will return false. What is the common mistake which everyone do is they will do something like this: print in in commas in quotes, we are programming, and in quotations like double quotations, they will write something and they will expect this to have a different value which I will show you. um, but this is not true because uh, it will treat this statement as a whole statement. So the if we say print after this statement, it will give us we are programming string and here. So what if we want to put some space and string, and then we want to say here. So to put some space, all we have to do is, let's say we are programming, and just add backslash and quotation, and let's say strings, and then backslash quotation and here. So it will put some space between two letter or two statement.